In the last video, I set up these for belt attachment points, and I sort of eyeballed their alignment and their positioning, and that left me a little uncomfortable just due to the fact that there could be some errors. So one way to check this, and what I've already done, is I've aligned each of these objects, so the base and then the 4 belt attachment points, to the world origin, the world being this Meshmix file, whatever that set point is, or ideally 0, 0 if we're thinking about a grid. So I did that for each of these objects, and now I could just move these to show you sort of what that looks like. So I'm going to transform this, move it, accept it, edit, align, Meshmixer appears to be running a little slow today, so bear with me here. Edit, align, and the source is the base point. And I'm not sure what all these technical terms mean, but I just want to translate. Base point, destination is world up, Y up, so the Y direction is facing up. Accept, and it will move it from here to over here. And I did that with these as well. And we could check this by entering into the transform. If I click off absolute coordinates and sizes, it will just show its translation with respect to this transform only. But if I hit absolute coordinates and sizes, it will show its location in the plane. So this one here is 31.5, 2.5, and negative 32 millimeters from the base origin. So if I check these 4, they should be the same, just varying only by the negatives. Same. Same. And same. So that way I verified that these are indeed aligned.